Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we are standing near new madrasa which is called Jamia Qasmiya Madni Nagar Shekhuchak Qasba. You can see here that there are two rooms which is going on to be built, but this is madrasa. This madrasa is new and there are no classroom. Because of that, many students are facing many challenges. For them, these two rooms are going to be built, but now due to lack of funds, due to lack of amount, the construction has been stopped, for which this new madrasa needs your help. The Ahliyane Madrasa request you to pray for Allah, for this madrasa, for this new madrasa, for bright future. Jazakumullahu khaira wa ahsan al jaza.